Hospital Administrator and CEO-select Joseph Verga says he's looking forward to transforming the island's only civilian hospital and changing the way GMH does business. He says it's unacceptable that island residents are going off-island for treatment and services.
I'm certainly out to keep the people of Guam on the island of Guam and to make them proud of the health care that they can get there.
Verga is currently the president and CEO of Canadian Medical Placement Service in London, Ontario. He brings with him decades of experience in the healthcare industry, not to mention he's an expert consultant for the Joint Commission and participated in getting GMH accredited several years ago.
Really a 2-year space of time. I have to say the hospital really really made a lot of changes and really accomplished a whole lot in a very short period of time in order to meet accreditation standards and actually get accredited.
Maintaining that accreditation and making GMH a place for reliable health care with stable finances are just a few of the many challenges Verga knows he faces. He intends to rebuild the hospital with 5 pillars that he calls ACEs plus Q: accountability, cost effectiveness, excellence, safety, and quality.
I envision an organization with those 5 pillars as the prime drivers for everything that we build this organization to be going forward.
Details of his contract have not yet been released as it awaits final signatures, but Verga says the agreement is for 3 years, with an option to renew for another 3. He intends to make Guam his home and hopes to start the job in early July.
One of the first things I intend to do is to undertake a complete operational review from top to bottom for cost efficiencies, for effectiveness, and pretty much everything's on the table. I mean, from finance all the way down through materials management, number one, to make sure that we're not only managing the hospital as cost effectively as we can and providing the highest quality service we can, but also that we're maximizing revenues.
As for the opening of a private hospital, Verga says he isn't threatened and says he intends to sit down with the principals and discuss a strategic plan that can benefit both GMH and the Guam Regional Medical Center. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.